Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so na asembie si ewo mankesim nkrofo bi ene police fo bi akwa akonya tese armed robbers bi ene police fo bi akwa akonya ewo mankesim a ende amene wo kasai wo mo abo police ni ba kutuo ekune yayaya na police fo eden krata aba beto abonten na de omo ka no ne tintin ni tietie mu an se wo mo de sika eto san nkrofo iti so 10,000 Ghana cedis. Wa wo bema information ama ya che wo mo a wo mo di sa nyambransem we no police for ebema sa aska no press release a wo mo de aba no e wo menim sisia na me pese me read etel sisia na ebae o say one, the IGP has announced a reward of 10,000 Ghana cedis to any person who gives credible information leading to the arrest of suspected armed robbers who shot and killed one police officer and wounded two others in the early hours of Wednesday, 22nd January 2020 at Mankesim in the Central Region. All the officers are stationed at the Mankesim Divisional Police Headquarters. Not just say police for IGP ankasa ena wode sikana to ngrofu we tri so. Na they see and say police for adie we eyo mo no enye ba ko ne ebo ne tioku no ba other ones no wo mu prior. They are stationed at the Mankesim Divisional Police Headquarters. Now, let's go into Nsemnimu. Me pese me hu ana ye nia ye hu die ntia ema eye police woni nkrofo yi ebetoto ye edien enesi ye. The second point was say the incident occurred at about 200 hours when a police patrol team responded to a distress call from the Zain filling station at Mankesim, and upon arrival, the robbers opened fire, injuring two police officers in the process. Not just say as same way I can cry. Ahomachi ne see you. Ahomachi be 2 o'clock. And not just a police patrol team. Womo enya call from filling station. Be a friend Zain filling station. Ewo Mankesim. Na police for do ono. And not just say armed robbers no. Eshia se womo tututuo abo police for na eho ena te se tuo no eka police for bia baako ewu ye ende amene wo ka sei mienu nso etuo na ka omo atese womo epra bebi a womo da no enye. The third point was say, however, at about 4:30 hours of the same day, the body of the deceased police officer who was not on duty and was in civil clothing was found with gunshot wounds at a distance of about 200 meters away from the robbery scene. Asemeni. Okay, so I think the whole thing is becoming clear. I think it's becoming clear. Do you see, and I say, police niya womo abonitio ekuno no. Womo nim baby efi. Omo here and say 200, but this story is some way. In some way. I think okay. Let's take the second point again and the third point. I think say because I'm even confused. Also, the incident occurred at about 200 hours when a police patrol team responded to a distress call from Zain filling station at Mankesim, and upon arrival, the robbers opened fire, injuring two police officers in the process. Okay, now police for womo ekoya armed robbers etutu tubo mono. Yes, our police for the dear, etuno ekom, but a bia engu ewum. Now later, 2 hours 30 minutes later, enomuko say another policeman be ne body edda 2 meters away from the Biana police no ene sancrophone tututu no mususu say am robbers ne ko share sa policeman no wo ho na wo mo boni tuo ekuno. So this is the story. I think say I understand it now, and I hope say you are also understanding it now. Sisiana press release no eba ena say ye kinkan atremo enti no eno ne asema edaho. Now the final point of Modekan when they say investigation is ongoing to establish the fact of events leading to the death and injury. That is our police ni na wo mo ko hu say we hu away from we no wo mo nim de ekun no enti wo mo ye hwehwemu ehu de ekun sa police no but am robbers no say wo mo abo police photo attack police for ninti no ya the 10,000 Ghana cedis bounty ato muti so now I don't know, the police might deny this or they can, but indeed senior nankrofo bi can in the sense Ghana police they only work effectively and yehu say womo investigation to its logical conclusion unless a police personnel is involved in a investigation in the sense ebia yakobu police ni bia na yabo police ni bitio. I think say asem no mo kan na kre de bia ye kan ena ameswale ni wo ena nipa we ni wo ena nipa we ni wo ye nte hwe ende ye the bounty ato amrobber city so say amrobber si wo mo akobo police fotio robbery cases bebre ekoso. I think say just late last year made the robbery cases bebre ebremo from a northern region. Yakobo MTN abranti bi oye mobile money yakobo ni tio. Police one ba bonti anka say the bounty to arm robbers niti so. So more information a yabema 10,000 cedis. Police one ba mekasa. I'm yet to find a case in Ghana here currently. Police is not involved. Na a civilian and a bonitio and a police for air case ye disika say air to so mobile information. I'm yet to hear of something like that. Menka say NC that is pen but saying we don't hear. But and there we are hearing this because a police personnel or police personnel are involved. I'm not saying that's bad. But yes, Remo, the energy you put in investigation and the case, if the victims are police, no, yes, Remo, just use that same energy if the victims are civilians. You are not a police officer just because of yourself. You are not there for yourself. Dentia and a police officer wo ye juma dentia ni ye tiaoka. Ye tiaoka se wo be boy civilian no ye ho ban. But Ghana police sa asem ba na police ni na victim and na police ni na akoye no we a wo mo be kɔ efom akosoro akwasase ase akohwim de mo be ya wo mo be che wo mo a wo mo ye police ni sa anyamra asem ne wo be ye. But how many times have we reported to you civilians ayakwa koku omo e wo mo fie? Civilians ayakwa akorobi omo. And we tell me the story be brem say Adenta residents be womo se send your armed robbers bomb ho no daytime womo bo bitio daytime o sa ni pakuna ye bo nitio no police one ba about yan be ka se o ya bo civilian bitio wi akete o ya bo civilian bitio enti no ye hu womo a womo aye sa de no mo fa ye discard on it police one last 3 days or 2 days and as assembly see am the reportage in Bremo. Police didn't come out to put bounty on the head of these unknown assailants. Interesting. The police can deny it all they can, but it's looking clear and clear. Say assembly there, if a police personnel is involved, police for be yet don't be piano much. The papa on the phone. Now, Mr. Remo, me pese what shall I join our comment box ni mo emame. I think that's all I'll say. Anyway, don't get me wrong, go, Mr. Remo. In some American, no mama get me wrong, go. Maybe so, and you think say in some American, it's not right. Say police for at the bounty, no, better in profundity. So that. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, this approach for the police is good. I feel say a bit to me and my police for actually more ekum police for na more police for it you. Now I feel say the main reason why a lot of assassination cases when it comes to civilians because the police don't put measures like this in place. Ebia yakobo adenta dia me in last 3 days yakobo obit you we are 2 o'clock no. Ebia police for eba bontin ebeka say ni say ya mo betre o mo yes and information be mo 20,000. So me so say ya chase angrofo no. But what did the police say on that matter? Police want to say that's the regional Accra regional police. Omo kra say so asem dey wo mo nti yo na tre say embedu omo nim kra e. Na so I can assure you say Mankesim Divisional Police Headquarters asem we esi ye no a traveler ko bebia eno na ende yenya story na ye kan. So this bounty thing ayede to the head of the unknown killers no is good. I feel that the police should do that in all civil cases or in all cases as civilian a victim of robbery attack. Montre amwaje me da say